All right, it's Monday morning, rise and shine. It's time to get after it. Cold start to the day here in Chicago. Also have a cold start to these markets. Dow Jones off 500, S&P's down 50 plus. Those are 2% moves and a continuation of that weakness that we saw last week, where the Dow was down 5.5% for the week, S&P's down 4.7%. That puts us back in negative territory on the year. Worst week we've seen since that week of March 20th. Back when this pandemic kicked off. And again, it's all COVID related, as economies like Texas, North Carolina, Georgia that have recently reopened are seeing a spike in coronavirus cases, which is putting an immense amount of pressure on these markets. So, like we've talked about the past couple weeks, speculation or the worry out there was that we've got a little too far ahead of our skis recently with this market. It's just going up, 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 up in light of all the bad that's happening out there. Now, with these economies and seeing these spike in cases, we've got that catalyst that's putting pressure in the market, and we're seeing this pullback. So, big pullback last week. We'll see if it continues this week. You look at some of the markets right now, jump over to the currencies. Since that market's down, and with that weakness, you're seeing strength in the dollar, something we haven't seen for quite a few weeks. Oil, pressure on oil once again. We're off another 2.5% this morning. So, it's going to be an interesting week. We've got some big headline risk out there. We've got Fed Chairman Powell speaking before Congress this week. We have Brexit negotiations firing back up this week. We have the Eurozone gathering this week to talk about their stimulus package and changes they could make to that, similar to what we had last week with the Fed. So a lot of potential headline risk out there. Going to be another crazy week of trading, certainly going to be some volatility. Great opportunity to get in on Nadex and take advantage of some of those short-term opportunities. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter today. We'll keep you updated with any breaking news that comes out. Everybody stay safe, stay healthy, and more importantly, do something nice for someone else. Take care, folks.